Hello, my name is Fatima, and today we're going to be talking about a legal case involving Liebeck or Stella Liebeck versus McDonald's Corporation. And this is happened back in 1994, and the case was involving a hot coffee case. So pretty much what happened was Stella Liebeck, a 79-year-old woman, brought a legal action against McDonald's due to her hot coffee spilling it on herself and causing some burns. She alleged, product liability, and the incident occurred when she was purchased a hot coffee on the drive-through at a McDonald's location. The legal dispute center on product safety, negligence, and corporate liability. And this took place in District Court of Bernalillo County in New Mexico. And we already said it was back in 1984. So the incident was that Stella Liebeck, a 79-year-old woman, purchased a hot coffee at McDonald's drive-thru. While attempting to, add cream and sugar into her cup, she spilled the coffee, resulting in severe burns, because the coffee was pretty hot. She suffered a third-degree burns on her legs and pelvic area, and which require medical attention and including a skin grafts. The corporate policy is, it was revealed that McDonald's had a corporate policy of serving coffee at a high temperature to maintain the flavor during, the drive-through service time. On the legal claim, Liebeck filed a lawsuit alleging product liability, negligence, and failure to warn. Claimed McDonald's was aware of previous burn incidents but did not attempt to address the issue, since it happened again. On the corporate policies, it involves serving coffee at high temperature. This raised the question on whether corporate policies prioritize taste over safety. Legal significance was to consider whether prior incident imposed duty on McDonald's to take corrective actions and whether the company addressed the known risks, which, again, we see them happening once again. So the resolution to this case was that the case was settled out of court, and Ms. Liebeck was awarded with over $2 million of damage. And, the legal significance of this, examining the legal and practical implications of settling the case, including potential precedents and parties' motivations for settling rather than going on trial. So it's how this, got settled. Some, key to learns here is that the case allowed me to understand the importance of product safety. I also learned that companies should not provide products which pose risk to consumers, and corporate policies should address consumer safety, just again, so we or the consumers are aware of what we're buying or what's involving what we are, consuming ourselves. That way, again, either to be more cautious or to then decide if, it's going to be a right, choice to make the purchase or not. So I think at the end of the day, having an injury or an accident from especially a product that we are consuming from, it's really it's a hard thing to deal with. Why? Because if you get injured physically, it's a coffee, it can be remade, but if you get injured physically, your body, it doesn't repair or heal the same way. So those are my thoughts on this. And what are you guys' thoughts? What would you guys have done, about the situation? Do you guys think that Mrs. Stella, took the right approach in taking legal action against this company? Or, did the company had the right to just keep serving coffee, or should had they labeled or put a bigger label warning the consumer that the product was hot? I'll wait to hear from you guys. Thank you.